Mikskaar Miksgrow is an Estonian substrate producer. We have been making substrates for growers all over the world. At the moment, we are sending to 60 different foreign countries. We value quality very much. Most of our customers are repeated customers. They are satisfied with the high quality. Therefore, it is important to have equipment enables to make very exact measurements of ingredients. Our cooperation with Tech started in the end of the 90s. At first we made only big bales here, and then we decided we would like to add small bales and also mixing line to the factory. And Tech was the best offer. Later on it made sense to cooperate again because they have beet harvesting machines, screening machines, equipment that covers the whole process of our production.
Tech is always very solution-oriented. They are always helping and guiding us. We definitely feel that on the other side there is a person who deeply understands our business.
The way they are designing all the equipment takes into account some internal knowledge of the substrate business. They always strive for the best innovation.
When we are installing a new machinery, we get very clear instructions and timelines, so we are very satisfied with this part.
We always get a schooling for the whole team, so Tech makes sure that everybody knows how to operate the machine.
Same goes with the after-sales part. The problems get solved very quickly. You get very good insights. We have worked with Tech for so many years already that all the installation team people and the sales people are very familiar for us. They're like a family or friends. It's very easy to talk and communicate.